Hi, I'm Daniel, Fulfillment Manager here at HME. Today we're going to learn some tips and tricks for storing and portability of your Move manual wheelchair. Let's start with folding the chair for transport. This is useful not only for travel, but also for storage in smaller spaces. First, remove the cushion. Most cushions have a strap underneath, making it easier for the user or caregiver to lift it off. Slide your hand underneath to locate the strap. Once you find it, lift up and away from the seat to detach the cushion from the Velcro. If the cushion does not have a strap, simply stick your hand underneath and pull away from the Velcro. Your armrests and your footrest are designed for flexibility. They can be removed and swung away to improve accessibility and comfort. Quick release axles make transporting the chair even easier. Press the quick release axle at the center of the rear wheel to detach it. This allows for more compact transport, especially in smaller vehicles like a sedan. Anti-tippers are a built-in safety feature, designed to prevent the wheelchair from tipping over. They can be flipped up by a caregiver or a companion to avoid kicking them while walking and make it easier to push over obstacles like curbs. Once you are done pushing the wheelchair, always flip the anti-tippers back down for safety. For even more compact storage, anti-tippers can be removed. For further support with your product, or if you have more questions, please reach out to your rep or to us at HME at the number listed below. Thanks for watching.